experiment on the production of hydrogen gas and a particular physical property of hydrogen gas that we read in textbooks. And what is that? We know that hydrogen gas make a pop sound when it come in contact with a latex plate. Today, we are going to produce hydrogen gas, and also we are going to experience that pop sound that comes from the hydrogen gas. Now, we are going to use our matches as the latex plate. And how do we produce this hydrogen gas? Right here, we do that by reacting magnesium plus a dilute acid HCl gives us a salt, magnesium chloride, and hydrogen gas, the balance of that equation. So this is my dilute acid, dilute HCl acid, and this is my magnesium wire. So I'm going to take a little of my magnesium wire, and I'm going to use this test tube to pour the acid inside of it to carry out a chemical reaction. So this is the acid here. Now I'll use the second test tube to trap the hydrogen gas. We know hydrogen gas is a light gas, right? So when it's coming out through the effervescence, it's likely to escape rapidly. So I'll use this inverted test tube to trap the gas and then introduce it into our latex plate to experience the pop sound. Now let's dive into that. To see. This is the magnesium wire right into hydrogen, magnesium, and you can see the effervescence coming up. The hydrogen is being trapped in this particular test tube here. It's a little bit hot. It is an exothermic reaction. It's a little bit hot. Now the hydrogen gas, enough of the hydrogen gas is there. All right. Now let's trap the hydrogen gas by placing it here. All right, that's a very satisfying sound. Hope you learned something today. Have a nice day and bye for now.